So today I'm going to be rating my fidgets. Okay, first I have this Orby stress ball. It's really good and it's a little dog. So I'll give it the highest limit is 100. Okay, I'm gonna give this maybe a 10, maybe a 20. Okay. Now this infinity cube. Have you seen it? It's so cool. Also, I put this in the bathtub. I just washed it. I took a bath. Okay, I'll give this 100 out of 100. Okay, now this Rubik's cube. It's really hard to it's for the brain to solve it. We solve it and it makes a lot of noise, and this is the worst fidget for school. Okay, I'll give this a 0 out, and because I mean a 10 out of 10. I mean 10 out of 100. Okay, now this broken puppet. Bruh, I have so many hiccups. Okay, I give this a 80 out of 100 because I miss it a lot because I just lost it for some day. Okay, now this butterfly dimple. I was about to say that. Okay, now I'll give it 100 out of 100. Now this, I mean this connected puppet. You can actually break it. It's a mirror. It's a mirror. You see the second me? There's 3 me's. There's a lot of mirrors. Okay, I give the connected puppet a 10 out of 10. It's a 20 out of 100. It's really cute. Wait, the connected puppet is only for Valentine's Day only. It's very cute, though. Okay, now these two. I give them, okay, this one is 20 and this one is 80. It's Puppet. Pop's really good. Okay, now this. It's very stretchy, and the name is a mochi. It's a sun mochi. You can squish it, and you can do this. 10 out of 10. The last fidget is this. It's a unicorn puppet. It's color changing. It's color changing in the sun. But right now it's nighttime already. So I'll give it 100 out of 100. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video and comment. Bye.